welcome back to my channel. My name is Pete, you can call me Eugenia, and this is Never Hers. So today we'll be reviewing the herbal treatment. Okay, I've been applying this for 2 weeks, but I was meant to apply it every single day, and there's some things I forgot. Okay, but I tried my best to apply at least 3 to 4 5 times in a week, and this is remaining. You can see it's still cold. That's because I stored it in the fridge, and this is the batch I made in that video. This is still it. I didn't make any new batch because I didn't have time, but I was storing it in the fridge, so there was no problem. Okay, now I'm gonna take down my hair. I've not shown you guys how I apply it, but I will do that. This is how I applied the tab. I shake it and I turn it on and I spray. I make sure I spray my hair. I get every corners, especially my scalp. You want to try to focus on your scalp. After which, I go on my scalp massager and massage my scalp. I just applied a leave-in conditioner there, then got the braids out. Now I'm taking down the braids. I've worn these braids for 2 weeks, I think. So I have a video on how I made the herbal spray. You should watch that before you come back to watch this process of how I applied the herbal spray on my hair. I made use of fenugreek, which promotes hair growth. It's a protein that helps in fighting baldness and hair loss. It prevents premature growing, it strengthens the hair follicles, it conditions the hair, and it promotes a shiny, thick hair. I also made use of rosemary, which contains anti-inflammatory properties. It stimulates hair growth, it prevents dandruff, premature graying, and it helps dry and itchy scalp. Okay, and also cloves reduces itchy because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps in thickening the hair, it reduces hair fall, it promotes the natural shine of the hair. I discovered I made a mistake because I did not take the measurement of my hair before I started applying the herbal spray, nor did I snap my hair before I started applying the herbal spray. So I'm so sorry for that. You guys could not see the difference, but I make sure from now on I take the measurement or I snap my hair for you guys to see before and after. So I found a video when I was checking my hair length, a very recent video before I started applying the herbal spray, and then I put them together. So do you see any difference? Is there growth? I want to know. Please comment in the comment section. So I went ahead to detangle my hair. I sprayed water on my hair, rubbed my hands through my hair, used my white tooth comb to help me detangle my hair and bring out all the shredded hair from the 2 weeks protective style. After which I sectioned this part into 2 sections and I did a very loose braids on it. I did the same thing to my whole hair. I loosed everything and braided it. After which I washed my hair, and yeah. So I'm gonna lose everything and I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair using my shampoo and conditioner, my newfound love. So I'm done washing my hair. Make sure you do your deep conditioning, okay? Don't be like me, I was lazy. Yeah, I'm gonna do that next time, okay? So I just went ahead to use my oil. I applied my oil around my hair. Now let's talk about the herbal spray. At first I was scared because of the fenugreek I was gonna add into the herbal spray. I do not really like the odor of fenugreek. It has one kind of odor, I cannot explain it, but I just don't like the odor. But I was like, okay, let me just try it, and I did the herbal spray. The fenugreek odor was there. It was really scary though, but the clove odor tried to overcome the fenugreek odor. It really tried. The odor was still there though, and I stored it in the fridge. The clove odor helped me to use the herb for a long time. If it was just a fenugreek spray, oh Lord help me, I don't think I'll use it for that long. But thanks to the clove, the herbal spray was lightweight, and I really liked that about it. Because I stored it in the fridge, it was cool whenever I spray on my hair and it really felt good. I used it for 2 weeks, but if you see molds inside, please throw that away and make a new one, okay? And then when I washed my hair, you could literally see the dirt coming out of my hair. I don't know if it's a clove color or something, but my hair was dirty. I felt like my hair texture changed and my hair even became darker and softer. I think I like that. I really enjoyed the spray and I'm gonna use it many times. Maybe without the fenugreek this time around. And I really urge you to use it. So I want to know, are you going to make this herb? Seriously, if you're consistent with this, your hair is gonna grow. Let me know in the comment section if you make it herb. So, and if this is your first time of watching my video, hello, my name is Faith and welcome to Nema Hairs. If you've not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post, to be the first to get notified. And thank you for watching today's video. I want you to let me know what video you want me to do next and I'll look into it. So have a lovely day. Bye.